happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, shake your legs. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers.
I am Coco Jumbo, the coconut tree. Let me introduce you to some of my friends now. Like me, my friends Banyan, Mango, Apple, and many others live on land. And some, like Lotus and Water Lily, live in water. Yes, we can be as different as that. Some plants are small, like grass. And some of us are medium-sized and are bushy, like roses and hibiscus. Some plants, like me and other trees, are big and tall. In fact, we trees are nothing but big plants. Do you know some of us stay in the desert? Yes, the cactus. Look how different they look from all of us. Though we look different, we are all plants. And how can you tell us apart, friends? Easy. Look for our leafy arms.
My dear students, how are you today? Me? I'm good. I'm strong. How about you? So, in this day, we're going to learn the second week of this month. So, last week, we studied about common plants around us. So we have different plants around us. Name it like hibiscus, sunflower, morning glory, banana, papaya, mango, coconut, grass, and last but not the least, cactus. So these 9 plants you can find in our you can find it everywhere. So these are the common plants around us. So this time we're going to learn the second week of the topic. Even though we don't have a book of science, but in a way we can study even if without science book. Okay. So today we have a new topic entitled Different Plants in Different Places. So we have different plants. We're going to study more about them. Okay, are you ready? Before that, let's have a vocabulary. So our vocabulary, okay, repeat after me. Okay, land, land, water, water, trees, trees, desert, desert, swamps, swamps. Okay, I'm going to point the word and you're going to read by yourself. Okay, are you ready? Alright. What word is this? Dessert. Everybody say dessert. Dessert. How about this? Swamps. Swamps. Okay, how about this? Land. Land. Next thing, water. Water. Next, trees. Trees. These 5 vocabulary words we're going to learn today. Okay? So, let's jump in. Let's learn and get your paper and pencil. Please write, because we don't have a book. So we have to write it down to your paper and write use your pencil. Okay? Let's go. These are the plants that live on the land. Where I say land, live on the land. Okay, name it. A rose. Everybody say a rose. Good job. Next. I know that you know this. I know that you eat this in the market, and you can buy this in the market or even in Lotus or supermarket or even a Big C. You can find this fruit. If you say pineapple, you get it right. Very good. Well done. So this is a pineapple. Everybody say a pineapple. A pineapple. A rose. A pineapple. And how about this? Do you know what is this? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. Again, everybody say a rose. Good. A pineapple. Good. And a sugar cane. Sugar cane. Okay. Please put in your mind, because we have an activity after this. Okay. This is a rose, a pineapple, and a sugar cane. Okay, let's go to the second slide. The second slide, we have plants that live on trees. Again, plants that live on trees. They are living in the trees or in the hanging, or they call it hanging plant. So name it. Let's start with orchid. I will say orchid. Good job. Next thing is fern plant. Everybody say fern plant. Good job. Next, we have staghorn fern plant. It's quite long, so let's start this. Read slowly. Staghorn fern plant. Again, staghorn fern plants. So these are the examples of the plants that live on trees, or they call it a hanging plants. Okay, first we have live on land. A rose, pineapple, and sugar cane. The second example is live on trees. Live on trees example are fern plant and last but not the least staghorn fern plant. Okay, now let's go to live in the desert. Live in the desert. So this place is mostly in this place you can find sand or any rocks. Places where there is a hot temperature. They don't like cold temperature. So mostly these cactus can live in this place. We call it desert. That's cactus. Last but not the least, it has many mangroves. This is mangroves tree, and you can find it in the place where there is. Alright, let's go back. Let's review a little bit. So we have places. We can call it live on land. Second, live on trees. Third, live in desert. Fourth is live in the swamps. So those are the places wherein the different plants living. Okay, let's have an activity. Okay, are you ready? So let's have an activity. Let's have get your paper and pencil, write A, B, C, or D. You can choose A, you can choose B, you can choose C, you can choose D. Hope you can see these words or see this text or visible to you. So I'm going to read. I live in a swampy area and I love plants. Again, I live in the swampy area and I love plants. So these plants like so much in the mud, like so much in the swampy area, like so much in the watery area. So who am I? A rose. B, a mangroves. C, a cactus. And D, a fern plants. Okay, I'll give you 5 to 10 seconds to answer. Again, I live in a swampy area and I love plants. So, who am I? Okay, take your time. You can pause this video if you like, so that you can understand, or somebody can help you to understand the question. Alright, let's move on to number 2. Let's have an answer first. What is the answer? Who am I? It's a mangroves. Very good. Next thing, let's desert area, and I love the sand and hot temperature. Who am I? A. Rose, A. Mangrove, A. Cactus, and D. Fern plants. Okay, you can pause this video. Okay, now let's have an answer. It's a cactus, of course. Next thing. Who am I? I live in the watery area. I love water and a cold temperature. Who am I? A. A water lily. B. A mangrove. C. A cactus. D. A fern plants. Okay? Give you 10 seconds to answer. You can pause this video if you like. Okay, let's go and answer. That's a water lily. So these are the plants who can live in land. Rose, pineapple, sugarcane live on water. Water lily, water hyacinth, and hydrilla plant, and live in the desert.